gentle touch, a quiet grace. Leaves are dancing in the light, their whispers guiding me through life. Rivers flowing endlessly, their calmness breathing life in me.